Welcome! Today, we'll explore how to register a company in Hong Kong. First, select a unique name for your company. Ensure it's not already in use. Decide on your business structure. The most common type in Hong Kong is a private limited company, also known as a limited company. Appoint at least one director who is a natural person aged 18 or above. Shareholders can be individuals or corporations. Appoint a company secretary who resides in Hong Kong or a corporate body with a registered office in Hong Kong. Provide a local Hong Kong address for your company's registered office. Prepare the required documents, articles of association, and a completed incorporation form. Submit your application to the company's registry and pay the necessary fees. Once approved, you'll receive the certificate of incorporation from the company's registry. Finally, obtain a business registration certificate from the Inland Revenue Department. Congratulations! You're now ready to start your business journey in Hong Kong.